What's up, guys? I've had a lot of people asking about my 1987 Honda Rebel and the Ape Hangers that I put on it. It's over here. So I just wanted to make a video really quick and basically explain how I put them on here, because these are the stock cables still, believe it or not, and just kind of show the bike too, even though I haven't made that many changes to it really. So alright, so here's a quick walk around of the bike. I've had this for about a year and a half, and I've put, I think, 6,000 miles on it almost. It's a pretty fun little bike. It was just really uncomfortable with the original handlebars because I'm 6'1", and every time I would go to make a turn, it would hit my knees. So that's why I put these on. I haven't made any other changes besides the handlebars and the little mirror right here. Stock ones were hideous. And the baffles. So I removed the outer ones and then I poked holes around the second set, but I didn't actually remove the second set yet. Alright, so for the cables, let's start with the clutch. I think that's the one that everyone's gonna worry about. So I'll show you guys how I have it hanging off here. And remember, these are 12-inch Ape Hangers. I do not recommend going any higher than that. Sounds like somebody's doing something in the background. But anyways, so this is the clutch cable right here. To get this to work, I had to remove the tank, and there was like, so this clutch cable was attached to the frame. I think it was like a clip or like some kind of Velcro, I forgot. But I removed that and it's just hanging now. So it goes straight from the top here. This is the cable. It's going straight through like the center, and then it's kind of looping on the right side of the frame. Just going straight down right here. And there is some play in it. It's not like it's being stretched out super thin or whatever, but like I said, I would not recommend going higher than 12 inches, so you'll see why. Okay, so here's the other side where the actual lever is, and you can see I had to put the lever kind of low for it to work. So normally I think your lever would be, let me get a better angle, it'd probably be sitting, I don't know, maybe this high, but it's down here. And I don't mind it. My hand is pretty comfortable with that position still. But it's just different, I don't know. It's just how I had to do it to make it work. The other thing that was a little bit tricky was the wiring. So you can see all the wiring for the lights and all that is coming from the center box right here. To get it to actually work, I had to open up these housings right here on both sides and kind of like rearrange how the wires were so that they would actually reach all the way. The last thing would be the brake cable, and honestly that one's really straightforward. I think I still use the original holding spots. It's just hanging down in a different way now, so it's kind of like going straight down, but it still works very well. And I don't know, I would say of the 6,000 miles I put on this, close to maybe 4,000 were with these Ape Hangers. And I've done like Grubhub delivery on it, DoorDash, all that type of stuff, so served me pretty well. Made the bike a lot more comfortable, and I think it looks a lot better too, honestly. Alright, so before we end the video, I want to do a quick drive-by so that you guys can see the riding position of the bike. And you can see what someone who's 6'1" looks like on it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you were thinking of putting Ape Hangers on your Honda Rebel, I hope that this helps you out, maybe you learned something. If you have any questions about the bars or the bike itself, you can put